Hi, and welcome to my latest demo. So in this demo, I'm going to be on GitHub and we're going to cover how to contribute to other people's code. So if you've ever wanted to do that in the past and you've been too scared, you just don't know how, then I'm going to take you through every step. So it's a play along, so log in and you can do this with me. So if you don't know anything about GitHub, it is probably the world's biggest public code repository. It has tens of thousands, probably hundreds of thousands or even millions of different people's code. There are so many projects available, from many well-known open source projects all the way down to just individual users that just want to keep their own store of code or information. So if we have a quick look, we can see that HashiCorp have got on here. You've got Terraform, Packer, Vagrant, very popular open source tools. The Linux kernel's on here, so Linus maintains this repository. LinkedIn are even on here. So if you want to see what LinkedIn are up to, you can go to their page and you can literally have a look at all of the code. So what we're here to do today. So in this demo, like I say, I'm going to show you how to update somebody's code and all the steps involved. It will take literally 2 minutes of your time. I want you to join in with me, so log into GitHub. If you haven't got an account, then create one now. It doesn't take very long, and then you can follow along in this demo, just literally following me with the same keys. So if you've always wanted to be a contributor, and that's what will happen once you add to the code, you're going to be a contributor to somebody else's code, and that will show up on your homepage and people can see that. So, and you'll also get updates when it changes in the future, which is quite cool. So let's start. So we log into our own GitHub account. So I have got my own one here with my lovely photo, thank you. And we need to navigate to this repository. So this is the one we're going to update. We're going to update this one called pull request. So if we just grab that bit of the URL and move it across here. So as me, I'm going to go to that repo and I can see the code, and here it is. So the first thing I want you to do is to click on the star button. So tap that for me, and then what we're going to do is we're going to fork this code. So all it is a README. It just says here's some steps to actually do the update. So in the top right hand corner you see the fork button. Click on the fork, and what that will do is it will create a copy of this code in my personal repo. So back on my page here you can see that it's back under my user, and we can see here that it says it's forked, which is great. That's exactly what we want, so we know it's worked. So, and it's exactly the same code, both the same. But what I need to do is I want you to press this little pencil button here and make an edit, and this will bring the code up like this. So as a add, let's 2 spaces in this. So I'm going to do here's my website, www.londoniac.co.uk, and then that's that. So let's see what that looks like. Let's preview it to make sure it looks all right. Yeah, it looks right to me. Got a bump, a dot there. So for adding website, and then commit that change. So this is the change being committed to just my copy of the code. And when we look at the code, we can see it's there, and we can also see on this one, even if we update the page, it's not there. But we need to get it on it. So come back up here, and we're going to create a pull request. So click on pull requests, and new pull request on the right hand side, the green button, and then that's because I've only done one. It's right here ready to go. So just create the pull request. I'm going to call it adding website. I'm going to say hi, and then I'm going to create the pull request. So at this point the pull request has now been created and sent over. So it tells you that the branch has no conflicts, but for me as a user, I've done my update. So if I now come over here and refresh the page, so the owner will see this, and we can see that the pull request count has gone up to 1. So obviously there's still no update here, but let's click on this pull request, and we can see, here it is. Literally opened 21 seconds ago. So if we scroll down, we can get some information. If we look at files changed here, we can see that that's what's been added. We've got 4 new lines, and then I've added the website. So go back to the code. Oh no. So stay on pull request, and then open up the request again, and in here we're going to, it's only one commit, so we're just going to merge the pull request. So we've had a look at the code, we're happy. You can leave a comment if you want to, and we're going to merge it and then confirm the merge. Okay, so we saw an update here, so the pull request has been closed, and now we can delete the fork. So now let's go back to the code base here and see what this looks like. And here it is. So it's been updated, it's now part of the repo. I've made my contribution, and I'd like you to do the same. So I want you to follow these steps. Add, like I say, your LinkedIn profile, a message, a website, maybe your Twitter handle, anything like that. You know, add it in, and then everyone else will see it when they add their code. So thanks for watching. I hope that's made things a lot easier for you. Don't forget, if you like the video, please share it with other people and let them do it too. It could be quite interesting if we get lots and lots of people creating pull requests. So like it, follow us and share. Thanks very much. Take it easy.